Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a private story on Snapchat. So first of all, open Snapchat account. Tap onto profile icon. Scroll down. Click on to new private story. Select friend. Select friend for the choose who can view your private story. Tap onto create story. Save and tap onto here and easily create story and select hello. This option only two friends see my story. So that's how you can easily private story on Snapchat. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial review channel for more video.